ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my fancy makeup tutorial. Ooh, I'm gonna teach you how to be fancy. Pinkies up, ladies. There's nothing in here. Do you want to live life fancy like me? Well, come join me in this makeup tutorial. I'm just here chilling in my private house, on my private beach, on my private island, and I got here through my private jet via my private car. I know, living out my thumb. Oh my god, I'm literally so mad. Like, why could you do this to me? Like, why? Okay, enough being silly. This is my cute makeup look. Fancy, I know, like this dress. I don't look good in orange, or do I? But if you guys want to see how to look cute like me, or just want to follow along for my why is it focusing over there? If you guys want to see how to be fancy like me, just follow this tutorial. And I'll see you guys in a minute, but I'm gonna be a lot uglier, so just fair warning. I'm gonna start out this tutorial with my eyebrows covered. $10 white eyeshadow, which is the shade Taco from the Sugar Pill Pro palette. I'm not even kidding, one shadow is literally like $10, so just do the math here. Like, but I'm not gonna use this because none of these colors are classy. I'm gonna use the Sweet Peach palette. Smells like classiness. I actually don't even know if I'm gonna use this palette. I'm probably just gonna use this palette. Okay, let's start. Taking my R35 Morphe brush.
And as always, you can use code James for 10% off your purchase.
I'm gonna dip into orange soda, and I'm gonna put this in my crease. Next, I'm gonna be going into the shade Burnt Orange. I'm also once again taking out my R35 brush. Hashtag use code James for 10% off. And now using my R41 brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Rustic. It's like this nice brown shade. I am now back, ready to contour my face. Stop, you're not funny. Going to the Kat Von D Shade to Light palette for the face, I'm gonna go into this nice, cool toned brown color right here. And I'm just gonna use this nice e.l.f. brush, and I'm just gonna contour. Now I'm gonna take this nice fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into this light shade right here and put this in a triangle on my face. The Bermuda Triangle. The ugly triangle. The ugly barnacle. This powder everywhere. Now I'm gonna be going into the Urban Decay's Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronze. And I'm just gonna go into one of these random like brushes I have and just dip into that and bronze my face. Now I'm gonna put on my blush, and for blush I'm gonna go into the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in shade Risque. And I'm gonna go into this Daiso brush. It's a blush brush, so look at me using the right brushes. Now going back into my R35 brush, I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer once again, and I'm going to contour my nose. And then going with the R41 brush, I'm just gonna take this light color that I used earlier and put it along the sides of my nose contour so it can make it look a little bit more sharp. Also, notice how I used nose contour because I don't know how to do a nose contour, so I don't know what to call it other than a nose contour, but it ain't that. My friend just asked me to hang out right now, but I'm kind of in the middle of something. Honestly, we're almost done. We're almost done. Like, we're getting pretty close to being done, which has never happened before. This is pretty fast. But let's continue with this. Now we are going back to my scary part of this makeup tutorial, which is where I have to cut my lid. And once again, I'm gonna put the music and I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in shade Medium 52 Neutral and just cut my new lid.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Now I'm gonna set my lid using a nice flat brush, and I'm gonna Joe in. Who's Joe? Like, tell me, who is Joe? I'm gonna go back into the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade called Tempura and put this on my lid. Actually, no, we're not. I really thought I could do that to my palette, but I really can't. So I'm gonna go with the Shade to Light palette from Kat Von D and go into this nice, I don't know, it's just like a base color. Just use that. Now that I have that done, I'm gonna go back into the Soft Glam palette and go into this nice shade called Glistening and put this on my lid. But first, I'm gonna get my brush nice and wet so it can soak up the pigment. Now that I have that gold placed down and I look and now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting on some eyeliner and then putting on lashes and then putting on mascara. I will attempt to do, I'm not gonna even try. I'm gonna go through like my whole entire sequence. I'll see you in a minute. I have returned and I look prettier than I did before. So I'm gonna list off the products that I used on my eye. The first product is the Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Legend. This thick Nacho eyeliner, as you can see, it's like really thick and I love it. It helps me get that thick wing, like, yes, we love thick wings. For mascara, I'm just using a regular e.l.f. mascara. I don't got no roller lash, I don't got none of that. I just have an e.l.f. mascara. Don't judge e.l.f. Honestly, a lot of their products aren't that bad. So now I'm gonna go in with the R41 brush, which is this nice blending brush. And I'm gonna go into the shade Orange Soda, and I'm gonna put this underneath my eye. I wanna have big eyes, and I feel like this is gonna help my eyes look bigger, so we're gonna do that. Wow, I feel like I opened up my eyes a little bit. Honestly, I feel like you can barely tell that I did that. I did nothing. Like, I regret everything. And now we're gonna go into a lip pencil in the shade Whipped Caviar and just put this on our lips. For my lipstick, I have two things I'm gonna be going into. I am going to first go into the shade Deceased Blood by Jeffree Star, and then also the shade Checkmate by Jeffree Star. I know that both these products are probably expired, but it's okay because literally what's the worst that could happen? I give myself herpes, already did that, so like the next day I wake up and I'm in the hospital because I like to use this when I wasn't supposed to. So I'm first gonna go in with Designer Blood and just line the outside, and then I'm gonna put the lighter red on the inside, so yeah. I just love having the ability to not apply lipstick correctly. Like, look, you saw what I did. We're gonna have to fix that later on, but I don't want to do it right now, so we'll do it in a minute. I am going into the shade Checkmate and putting this in the center of my lips and making a kind of ombre look with my lips. And now for the final step, I'm gonna go into highlight. I'm gonna go into the Jeffree Star 24 Karat Skin Frost palette. I broke the shit out of this palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Sarcophagus. That's a big word, okay? That's a really big word. I'm gonna go into the shade Sarcophagus. And I'm just gonna be taking a nice R36 brush and dipping into that and putting it on my cheeks. Now I am finished and I will change into my outfit for the evening, or well, daytime, like. And this is the finished makeup tutorial. I know these lips are kind of crusty, but it's okay, we're just gonna let them be crusty. But thank you guys for watching my fancy makeup tutorial. living life lavishly. Also, a big thank you to Patrick the Pug. He's here, my guest star in the studio. If you want Patrick to be in more videos, click the thumbs up button. If you don't, click the thumbs up button. See, I got you there. You have no choice but to click the thumbs up button. So just give me a thumbs up because that's all I'm asking for here. Don't forget to go down to the links below where you see links to my other videos. There's always something fun down there, so just go check it out. I just projectile spitted at you guys. I'm sorry about that. Like, I'm sorry if that like 3D like cyberspace like went through you. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye, Baes. Mwah. I know I like my thumb. Don't talk about it, okay? Just don't.